Go.
All right, this is the try not to laugh
Water.
edition.
Challenge.
What are you doing, dude? What the fuck? Fell already. All right, hold on.
Had a loogie.
All right. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, hold on.
Dude, we're recording already.
I know.
What the fuck?
Bloopers, YOLO.
I thought. Oh, damn it.
I'm gonna hire all the way to you.
It's funny because I'm gonna look at that shit.
I'm not even look at that. There you go, please, bastard. Oh my god. Okay, don't do that.
Fuck, dude! What the fuck? All right, this is cut one blooper.